This is going to be how to draw a polar bear. So let's get started. The first thing that we'll want to do is make a circle. After we make our circle, we're going to make the ears for our polar bear. And the polar bear ears are more rounded ears. So we'll go like this. And then inside those upside down U shapes, let's make smaller upside down U shapes. Then we're going to make his body so it's a curved line coming up and coming down. And then here in the front, we're going to have his front leg coming down like this. Now this line should be about even with this line, so that tells me that I need to bring this line down a little bit further. Let's close this up at the bottom. And then we're going to make another foot right next to this front foot. So we come down, we go over, and we go up. Now we're going to make a slightly curved line coming up like this, just a short one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move to the back foot. So we come across, and we come up. And now we're going to make the bottom side of our polar bear. We're going to make his tummy. So we start here and we come across like this. And then right here, we're going to make his back leg just like that. Now, polar bears do have big claws, so we're going to make some claws coming out, some thick lines. There we go. And a little tail. All right, let's move back to our polar bear's face and let's make some wide set eyes. And a nose with a shine mark in it. That's an oval nose with a shine mark in it. And a little tiny mouth. Alrighty, so let's put our polar bear into his habitat. The habitat is where he lives. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a line. We're going to jump over our polar bear and come out the other side. Now we're going to make another line below it. Not too close, but not too far away. Did you see how I jumped right over my polar bear? Now what we're going to do with this space right here is we're going to make some vertical lines. And they don't have to be super straight, and they don't have to be really, really that close together. That's going to be ice right there. Now here we're going to make another line. Jump right over my bear, just like that. If you'd like to put some trees in the background, you can do that. I have another polar bear drawing with some trees. It's a standing up polar bear. So if you want to watch that video, you can go ahead and do that as well. So I have a couple of trees there. Maybe I'll put one here as well. A pine tree. Basically, I like to make pine trees with 3 or 4 triangles. Now let's make some clouds in the sky, or if you can think of another thing that you'd like to fill your sky with, you can go ahead and do that now. There we go. Now down here, our polar bear is standing on the ice. So we're just going to make some squiggly lines like this, and that will be showing that there's some ice right there. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.